Guys, welcome back to Joby's Kitchen. If you are new, just click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. What's on the menu for today? We're going to cook some cornmeal dumpling, white yam, and green plantain. And we're going to fry some sliced fish. See it here? Cooked down in curry gravy. We're going to get started. We're going to mix the flour right now, so I'm going to get my hands clean. Yeah, I'm going to put a little salt. Mixing the flour. Guys, I just peel my yam and the plantain. I'm washing it now to put it in the pot. Yes, guys, we'll put our fish in the pot. Guys, fish finished fry. The food in the pot. I'm gonna fry up my seasoning now. Put a little bit of olive oil. Fry up my seasoning. Stop the seasoning. Yes, guys, this is the seasoning frying up. The curry in there. I'm going to put a little fish and meat sauce. Coconut milk. So we're going to put down our fish in the coconut milk with curry. Yes, guys, we'll put our fish in the curry gravy with coconut milk. a little butter in it. That milk. And this is the food over here. This is the final dish. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next video.